Yes, good morning, everyone. Welcome for our online sessions, Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM demo. Myself, Chandra, I'm here to take about Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM training demo sessions here. Okay, so before we start with our HCM demo sessions, let me introduce about myself as well as RTL online trainings and what we do and how we are going to execute the training sessions, as well as the placements in cloud HCM environment. So myself, I am Chandra. I have total 20 years of experience in Oracle ERP applications. Started career in 2004. From 2004 to 2015, around 11 years, I was with Oracle EBS ERP, Oracle EBS ERP, and last 9 years from 2015 to till date, I'm working as Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM techno-functional consultant as an architect in the cloud environment. Okay. And when it comes for RTL online trainings and placement, so it's based out in Hyderabad. We are providing the online trainings right from 2007, right from 2007. You can see that when you see our videos, you can find how we are experienced in the real time and providing the solutions to our students who got placed, as well as providing the real-time content. Here it is. You can go through. If you go to YouTube and search for RTL online trainings, you can find our YouTube channel having around 17,000 subscribers exclusively into Oracle Fusion, not in any other technology. We are into exclusively Oracle Technical here, as well as in the functional cloud environment. Okay. So when it comes for the Oracle Cloud HCM, this demo sessions, we are going to have 3 demo sessions today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. These 3 demo sessions we are going to have. After this, we are going to have the regular sessions from Thursday. Regular sessions from Thursday we are going to have. So in these 3 demo sessions, I'm going to start with the very basics from cloud. What is cloud? What is Fusion Cloud? What is human capital management? What are different environments we have in Fusion Cloud? This is all we are going to have. And then we will be talking about a real-time concept in the tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll take one assignment so that you will be clear what exactly you are supposed to do in the project. In the project, what you are supposed to do it. Okay. And then we will also take on Wednesday what are different modules we are going to learn and what are the other areas we are going to do the placements and technical point of view. This is all we are going to talk about here. This is all we are going to talk about here. So during the session, if you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself and you can go for ask the doubts. Even you have a small doubt also, please ask me. We are here for clearing and we treat everybody as a fresher for this cloud environment as well as the HCM, human capital management environment here. Okay, so this two we are going to talk about here now. Okay, So today we are going to talk about what is cloud, what are different cloud companies we have. This is all we are going to discuss. Let me take up this here. So we'll be discussing what is cloud, what are cloud companies we have, what are different cloud companies we have in the market available, what is fusion applications, what are different products we have in Oracle Cloud, what is fusion applications, what are different domains we have in fusion applications, what is fusion HCM, what is fusion HCM, and who are competitors, fusion HCM, and what are different job roles we have for fusion HCM. That's what we are going to discuss. Let me save this Excel sheet as demo session of the December 2024. Yes. So now we'll talk about first what is cloud. So cloud is nothing but virtual server. Cloud is nothing but virtual server. So if clients are doing some business to maintain their business transactions, day-to-day business transactions, they use their own servers, right? We call it as on-premises. Obviously, every client will have their own servers. They will have their own servers. Let's say we have Reliance Digital. We have Reliance Digital. So Reliance Digital is one of the company who are doing the business in India. Let's say they have 400 branches. In every branch, in every branch, they have, let's say, 30 employees. 30 employees. Total 12,000 employees. All these 12,000 employees will come to office every day. They do day-to-day business. They sell the product to customer. They collect the amount from customer in different payment methods. And they also count the stock and they'll go for return the material in case if there is any problem. If any customer comes for return, they get it and they'll identify what are the discounts are there. And day-to-day activities they will be performing, providing the support to the customers, giving the service to the customers. This is all. Whatever the action they do in an office day to day, that they wanted to maintain in the system, because the head of this company or directors wants to watch what is happening in every branch, every department, from every employee, what is happening, what he is performing right from the beginning of the day to end of the day. So all this data they are supposed to enter in the system. All these employees, 12,000 employees day to day, whatever the work they are doing, that should be entered in the system so that I can monitor at any point of time, either end of the day or end of the week or end of the quarter or end of the year. I can see what this employee is doing every day and what he is doing repeatedly, either for measuring the performance or any point of view. So that information we want to capture. That's what we call it as a digitalization. For that, obviously, the clients will use the softwares. Either one software they use, multiple softwares will use, because one software may or may not be satisfying the client's requirements to capture all the information. Obviously, they will be using multiple applications, multiple softwares to maintain all this data, right? Okay. So the Reliance Digital company will maintain separate server. They will be capturing this data, all this day-to-day transactions into the application, their sales, procurement, payables, receivables, accounting, ledgers, discounts, interest rates, bank transactions, returns, profits, loss, stock material, damaged material. So this is all feedback from the customer point of view. Employees, employee salaries, employee benefits, employee bonus, everything it will be captured. Okay. So it's every day some thousands of transactions will be happening from branch. It means like it will be in lakhs of transactions end of the day. So it will be millions in the quarters. Okay, end of the quarter we will find millions of transactions, business transactions. All this data so far, how the companies are maintaining, they are maintaining in their own servers. Every company maintaining their own server, 24 by 7 DBA. So they will have their own servers. They will have 24 by 7 DBS. They'll have the network administrators. They'll have the security administrators. And then, of course, IT team, obviously it will be there. Support team will be there. IT team will be there. So that's what is going to happen. Now, once cloud come into the picture, from last 10 years almost, right from cloud environment is there right from 2004. It means last 20 years, 20 years back, a cloud environment started. But last 10 years means from 2014, 15 onwards, most of the clients are started moving to the cloud environment. There are three major reasons why the clients are not maintaining the servers, why they are looking for cloud environment. Means they are looking for the virtual servers. They are looking for virtual servers. It means like a remote servers. Okay. So it's difficult to maintain their own servers. 24 by 7, they have to take care of the server, that DBA team, network team, admin team, and then support security point of view. So it's difficult for them to maintain their own. So the maintenance is a problem. The second one is new technologies, whatever we are getting into the market, new tools or new products, which are not coming into the on premises. It means when any company develop any tool or product, what they are telling is, I am not selling this product directly to you. It means I am not giving the license for download and install in your server. It is already installed in my server. You can pay the subscription charges and go for use this product. So I'm not going to give the license activity. Okay. So that's another reason, because the if you want to use that latest tool or latest technology, whatever you got, that obviously you are supposed to go for use the remote servers, because those tools and products require a lot of customizations and everything. It is and it may require high-end configurations. That's the reason the product owners they are not interested to release those tools and products into the market directly. So what they do is they'll ask the clients to go for subscription and start using the product. Okay, or start using the tools. Okay, that's what the things are happening now. Second one, and it will be very less cost when you come to the cloud environment. It will be less cost compared to on-premises maintenance. If you are going to maintain your own servers, if it is, for example, expenditure per month $10,000. I'm just giving an example. Per month $10,000 means obviously when you come to the cloud, it will be $2,000 per month. It means the 20% of cost is enough to maintain your entire IT business. Earlier it was $10,000 per month. Now it is just $2,000 per month. And you are safe. You no need to worry about, because the servers, whoever is maintaining, they'll take the risk 24 by 7. 24 by 7, the cloud companies will take care of it. Whoever is maintaining those servers across the world in different data centers, they'll take the they'll take the risk. So we don't need to worry about whether server is slow or down or up. This all we don't need to worry about it. Hacking and all, no need to worry about, because that is their risk. So what we have to do is, all our 12,000 employees, let's come everyday office and connect to our applications through internet or intranet. Maximum it will be internet only nowadays. Through internet, we are just going to enter the URL like this and go for enter the credentials and start doing the transactions, day-to-day transactions. Okay. Let me just show you instance. So if you have a good internet connection, you will be getting the URL. Then we have to enter the username and password. The employee will start working in this environment here. So this is how it will work in the cloud environment. So what are the different cloud companies we have? So we have total majorly four cloud companies we have. We have majorly four cloud companies we have. So what are that? AWS, Amazon Web Services. Next, Microsoft Azure is second place. Then Google Cloud, GCP. We also call it as Google Cloud Providers. GCP. Then we got Oracle. Then we got Oracle. Major companies across the world we have AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle. These are the companies, cloud companies. What these companies will do is, if we speak in our language, they will establish data centers across the world. They'll keep high-end servers in the data centers and give it for rentals. And they maintain 24 by 7, make sure that the servers are up. That's what they do it. They provide servers on rental basis, but they maintain 24 by 7 across the world, make sure that all servers are on and up. There should not be any disturbance in the server. Okay. So here, if we talk about the clients like Reliance and all, I'm just giving one example. Like any clients nowadays, they are going for cloud environment because they don't want to take the risk by going through their own servers and maintenance cost, and they want to utilize the new technologies and all this here. Okay. So the cloud companies, they have established data centers across the world. For example, if 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 you go to some Singapore client and says that we have a data center in India and our engineers are maintaining all the servers 24 by 7. Why don't you use our server? Because it will be less cost and you can easily manage your business because you don't need to worry about IT operations because we take care of this entire server 24 by 7. So if you tell to the client says that, okay, it looks good. Oh, I also don't need to worry about the maintenance of the server because you are taking care of it. So you are telling that you will take care of it. And you are also telling that there are new tools and products which are required for the current business generation. That's good and low cost. Okay, that's. But you are telling that your servers are located in India, but I am doing business in Singapore. If if your data centers are established in Singapore, I'm interested because when I'm running the business in Singapore and my data is stored in India data centers, then I may feel little bit, you know, issue in future in case if something happens. So that's the reason I may not be interested. That's the answer obviously we'll expect. So when you are doing a business in a particular country, obviously you expect that your data is there in that country data center servers only, not in some other country, right? So there the cloud companies has identified, yes, we have to start the data centers across the world in different regions, in different regions. Then only we can attract customers, make sure that they have to use our cloud environments. They have to start using our cloud environment. Amazon has started around 40 plus 40, I think 47 AWS data centers. Azure, it is also 41, 42 something. Google Cloud has got around same. And Oracle also 39 plus, 39 plus. I think they crossed 40. Recently they established data center in Sri Lanka also. So they crossed 40. So even in India, Oracle has got two data centers. One is in Mumbai. It was in 2020. Then 2022, second one we got in Hyderabad. So two data centers in India. Oracle has got. Okay. So all these cloud companies, AWS, Azure, and Google, these three cloud companies are very senior compared to Oracle. Compared to Oracle, very senior. They started cloud business in 2004. Oracle entered into cloud business in 2014, very late, 2014, almost 10 years. After 10 years only they started. And now almost equal. AWS, Azure, and Google, and Oracle uh, almost in the same page now with the data centers, infrastructure, tools, and products point of view. Maybe the clients, this people has got more clients, and Oracle might have less clients. But when we talk about the business point of view, Oracle is on the cloud environment with this three top people. Total four companies we have in the market now, top four. Okay. So that's how the cloud companies are entertaining the clients to move from their own servers. We call it as on-premises. One server means we call it as on-premises. So far they are maintaining their own servers. Instead of maintaining, let's move all our applications, software applications from our servers into the cloud environment. Into cloud environment. Here it is. Okay. So if client says, if we say that we have only servers, the client may or may not be interested, right? So client says that no problem, I can maintain my own server. I have enough budget, 24 by 7, I can take care. I can recruit separate DBA team, admin team, security, everything I take care of it. So I may not be interested using your servers and all. So in that scenario, what the cloud companies will do is to maintain their business, they will maintain excellent tools and products. If you come to the cloud only, we provide the access to those tools and products. So if you say, let's say I developed an excellent tool for analytics, for reporting, analysis, dashboards, analytics, which will supports for database. Even you have huge data also, you will be able to do the analysis and generate the dashboards. Excellent tool, but I can't give this tool to you because you should come to the cloud environment. If you if you use my cloud, then only you can use. It's as simple as, for example, there is a Canva. So most of the people knows that. So Canva is one of the excellent tool in online if you want to design, any YouTube thumbnail or Instagram post or presentation, a resume, notepad. This software you can't install in your local machine. You should connect to cloud environment. YouTube ad, YouTube banner. You don't need to do. If you want to define a YouTube banner, simple. Just click on this. Within 2 minutes, you can design the YouTube banner or thumbnail, whatever it is, and you can just go for modify this. So this tool is a cloud. Canvas is one of the tool, one of the software. Okay. So I can't download this software and install in my local machine. They won't give the access. They just ask me for subscription per month, $2 or $3, not more than that. I think $2, not more than that. Okay. You don't need to have the license. Whatever the work you do it here, do it and go for download. Finally, that's what you want, right? Even if you install this software in your local machine, still the same work you do it. You build some project or some output, and finally you'll go for download, and you will give it to your client, or you will use it for yourself. Okay. What Canvas is asking us, let's do this in the my server only, where this software is installed in Canvas server. That's called cloud. Whatever is not installed in your servers or in your local machines, which is there somewhere, we call it as a cloud. Okay. For example, YouTube is there. So we are just entering the URL and just we are searching something and you are getting the result and you are getting some content here, right? You are getting the content, you are getting the videos, charts, community, stories, and other information you are getting. So where this data is stored, nobody knows. Everybody says that it is there in YouTube servers. Where YouTube servers are located? India, US, Europe, UK, nobody knows. But it's stored somewhere. Just we are connecting to the internet. We are just connecting to the internet and then entering the URL and we are going to enter the username and password and then we are trying to access the content, whether video content or text content, whatever it is. Okay. So this is also we call it as a cloud environment. This is also we call it as a cloud. Facebook is a cloud. LinkedIn is a cloud. Everything is cloud. Cloud in the sense it's a remote server which is not stored in your local machine or in your local server. Okay. So here what cloud companies are doing is they are going to develop excellent tools and products and attract the customers. If you want to use this tool, you should come to the cloud. If you want to use this product, you should come to the cloud. I'm not giving it outside. It's up to your option. So what client has to do is now there are two options for the client. Maintain their own servers and also integrate with the cloud. That's what we call it as a hybrid cloud. Okay. So they don't want to lose their server, means they don't want to shut down their servers. They'll be continuing with their servers and also the tools and products, whatever they like from the cloud. So they will be also using this. So there will be an integration between this on-premises as well as this cloud environment, on-premises and as well as this cloud environment. We call it as a hybrid cloud. We call it as hybrid cloud. Some clients completely they will move into the applications. All the applications they will move into the cloud and they start using the tools and products. Okay. So when we talk about Oracle, when Oracle sales representative goes to Reliance Digital or whenever they go to client, if they want to attract the client, make sure that they have to use their cloud instead of their own servers. They are supposed to tell what tools and products are available in their cloud and advantages of the cloud, security point of view, maintenance point of view, and return on investment point of view. It means cost. This all salesperson is supposed to explain. then only client will be able to interest, they'll be able to move into the cloud environment. So when we talk about every company, AWS will maintain, Azure also will maintain, Google also will maintain their own tools and products in the servers, and obviously Oracle also. So Oracle will maintain Oracle database that we know across the world. It's one of the number one database, and Apex tool, and then VBCS tool, and then DBCS tool, JCS tool, Java Cloud Services. DBCS stands for Database Cloud Services. Visual Builder Cloud Services for building the pages. Apex, it's not Apex, it's Apex. Apex tool is for building the pages and reports and tool. NetSuite ERP software. Oracle Fusion Cloud. Oracle Fusion ERP, we can simply call it as, or Cloud ERP also. And then we have other tools like OAC, Oracle Analytics Cloud, Fusion Analytics Warehouse, Oracle Data Intelligence. Nowadays, they are getting it in artificial intelligence. Oracle DevOps, Oracle BI reports. Like this, we are going to have different tools. Like this, we are going to have different tools available in the market. Sorry, in the Oracle Cloud. In the Oracle Cloud. So whenever we ask for the client, why don't you move entire your IT infrastructure from your on-premise servers to Oracle Cloud? Then the client will ask us, I have my own applications. I want to move these applications as well as I also want to use some of your tools and products. Some tools are free of cost. Some tools are subscription based. Depends on the number of users. You can go for make the payment, or depends on the usage. Also, you can go for make the payment. Okay, so that's how it will work here. That's how it will work. Okay.
Yeah, hi Chandra. A basic question here.
Yeah.
Why do we have these two ERP tools here on the Oracle database? Like, any significance for each?
Sorry, come again.
Why do we have two ERP tools on the
Yeah.
Oracle database?
Yes. Yes. I'll explain. Okay. I'll explain. So these are the tools and products available in Oracle Cloud environment. Okay. So when we say tool, what is the purpose of tool? Clients can start using this tool and they can build their own products or applications or any solutions. Like if I talk about this is their Canva. Canva is one of the tool. By using this, what I can do, I can build some of the work or some of the solutions. I can build some of the work or some of the solutions. After designing the solutions and all, then I'll go for download. Either I'll sell it or I'll use for my business. Okay, that's what we call it as a tool. There will be a reporting tools. There will be a designing tools. There will be a security tools. There will be a page development, app development, web development. Okay. So whatever the tools purpose is there. That's the main purpose of tool. Then when we say product is already developed by Oracle. Oracle has developed the product. They have tested and they have given that we can make some personalizations and customizations and some extensions and we can start working. We can start using those ERPs or products. Okay. So when we talk about the ERP applications, ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise, nothing but our client means companies. Whenever they are running the business, whenever the enterprises are running the business, they will have their own resources. When I say enterprise resource, it may be employees, it may be infrastructure, it may be a brand value, or it may be assets or machineries or any of the work, whatever they use in their business, we call it as a resource. You got excellent resource. Your company has got excellent brand value. This is all our resources. Whatever is useful for your business, that's what we call it as a resource. We are supposed to use this resource properly. We are supposed to use this resources properly, then we get a better result. If you want to use the resources properly, you are supposed to maintain the information in a proper format. Here we call it as ERP application, enterprise resource planning, enterprise resource planning. Okay. So Oracle has got two ERPs, NetSuite ERP, Oracle Fusion ERP. Actually, Oracle, when they started business, cloud business in 2012, 13, that time. So what happened? That time they acquired some cloud companies. There were some small cloud companies. They acquired those companies. That time NetSuite company has came. NetSuite ERP was there. So Oracle has not developed this NetSuite ERP software right from the scratch. They acquired it. So they acquired cloud company. In that cloud, they got, in that cloud, they got this ERP. Obviously, that has came to Oracle, but it's got very good feedback from the customers. But this is for small clients, not for the big clients. For example, I'll tell you, like if client says that I have 4,000 employees, less than 4,000 employees, uh, NetSuite is suggested here. Even Oracle salesperson also will tell the same thing. If any client says that I have 4,000 employees, this is what my business, then go with NetSuite. I have more than 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 employees, 1 lakh employees, 2 lakhs employees. Then suggested is Fusion ERP. So Fusion is ERP is a vast ERP application, which is designed by Oracle right from the scratch. Oracle says that this is next generation ERP. So why Oracle says this is next generation ERP? You cannot find any ERP application in the current market which is suitable for Oracle Fusion ERP with all the features. Vast application, financial, supply chain, human capital, PPM, ORC, and then CPQ, and then healthcare, and then artificial intelligence, machine learning, DevOps, blockchain. So all the features are available in this Fusion. No ERP is available in the market which is equal to Oracle Fusion at this point of time. So NetSuite is not something developed by Oracle, it just came up. It's just came when Oracle maintained that, when they acquired a cloud company. Just 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Okay. So here, Fusion ERP is for medium and big clients, and very small clients. If somebody wants to use NetSuite, also is good ERP. Okay. So that's about the different tools and products available in the Oracle Cloud. Okay. So who are the competitors? So when it comes for the ERP point of view in the market available, here it is. So when we talk about this Fusion application, this is what we are going to learn. Oracle Fusion ERP. So if any client comes to Oracle Cloud, if they come to Oracle Cloud, and if they use Oracle Fusion ERP, many people used to work with Oracle Cloud. Maybe they will be using different tools, but we are going to come into the picture only when we are talking about Oracle Fusion ERP product. When we are talking about Oracle Fusion ERP product here. Okay. So if any client start using this Oracle Fusion ERP, so obviously they will come to know what are different domains we have in Fusion applications. Okay. So here in Fusion applications, just now we discussed it is one of the cloud ERP. It is one of the cloud ERP product. What are different domains we have in this? What are different domains we have in this? We have financials, we have human capital management, supply chain management, CRM, ORC, and then we have GRC, and then we have other tools like manufacturing, other domains. Like this, we have different domains options here. We have different domains. Yeah. If any client is doing some finance, of course, every client will have it, right? If you take any client, obviously there will be a finance. Finance means basically maintaining the, excuse me, accounting information, maintain the day-to-day accounting information that we are going to have. HCM is used to maintain the HR data, human capital maintenance, human capital management. If clients are having some thousands or lakhs of customers, if you want to maintain all this information, then it's going to be used. Supply chain management is basically client day-to-day procurement, sales, inventory management. This is all we are going to have it here. This is all we are going to have it. And then CRM, customer relationship management, we have. And then we are going to have ORC, recruitment process, entire recruitment process here. And then governance module, manufacturing and planning modules. Like this, we have different modules here. So it's up to the client what modules they want to use. For example, ICICI client is there. So ICICI is one of the banking client. Their business is banking sector. Now, ICICI has got around 34,000 employees. They got 34,000 employees. So for 34,000 employees, they will be using this HCM software. They don't use finance. They don't use finance. They have their own finance software. They have, they don't have any, sales and other procurement process. They just use only HCM, human capital, to maintain their 34,000 employees data. Fusion HCM, excellent project done by Oracle. Okay. So here, it's up to the client what domains they want to use. Human capital management, what domains they want to use it. It's in the HCM also, again, we will have different modules. What modules they want to use. It doesn't mean that you have to use entire HCM suite. You can use whatever the modules you required. Let's say I just want to maintain only my employees' data, my employee salaries, my employee leaves, my employee benefits, my employee performance, my employee timesheets, my employee recruitment process, my employee compensation plans. All this I'll use some other software. Just I want to manage my 34,000 employees data, their employees, employee managers, approvals, their designations, assignments, their transfers, terminations, hirings, rehirings, holdings. This is all I wanted to maintain only. The one module is sufficient. Global HR module is fine. You don't need other modules. So it's up to the client what what domain they required. Inside of the domain, what modules they want to implement. According to that, they pay the amount and they go for implementations. Okay. So this is about the different domains which we got it here. Is clear everybody now what is Fusion applications? What are different domains we have in Fusion? What is cloud? What are different cloud companies are available in the market? In Oracle Cloud, what are different tools and products are available? In that, what is Oracle Fusion ERP? It is a cloud ERP product. Okay, it is one of the cloud ERP software. And different domains we have: Fusion Finance, Fusion HCM, Fusion Supply, Fusion CRM. So we'll be learning any one of this, whether it is finance. Accounting people learn finance, HR, HCM, supply chain, like this. But it doesn't mean that you should be from HR background. Everybody is learning nowadays because there is a huge requirement. Uh, very few people are there, but requirement is more. We got a lot of requirement here that we are supposed to go ahead here. So that's why people are learning and started working. So even freshers also is able to learn this cloud ERP and they are able to work in this applications here. And then even supply chain. And HCM has got very good feedback from the client. HCM has got very good feedback from the client. Very good requirements. We got excellent requirements also from the HCM point of view. Yes. So who are the competitors in the market? Who are the competitors in the market for SAP is the big competitor. Workday, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Microsoft Dynamics, like that's top four ERPs in the market available. Earlier, there was earlier Oracle ERPs only. We got Oracle EBS, Oracle applications, e-business suite. There was PeopleSoft. There was JD Edwards. There was Siebel. This this four. But Oracle acquired all these three companies. Oracle EBS, it is there from 1995. Still, a lot of clients are there, thousands of clients across the world using this excellent ERP, which is one of the competitor for SAP. SAP also. And then Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and Siebel. No more this. And Oracle EBS is there. Of course, maybe old clients are there who are already using these applications. Oracle obviously gives the support for them. They provide the support for them. Okay. Now, what Oracle says, any of these ERPs will not support for complete digitalization as well as the artificial intelligence and for analytics and for big data projects. So this ERP's architecture is completely old one, which is not supporting for the current, because this architecture designed in 90s, it won't support for now in 2025 or in future, it won't be supporting. So that's the reason Oracle says that we developed a new ERP which will be comfortable for cloud, analytics, AI, machine learning, data science, blockchain, DevOps, for all the technology, all the environments it supports. That's what Oracle says. Okay. So SAP is the big competitor, but there is a disadvantage with SAP right now because SAP does not have a cloud company. They are not in the cloud. SAP has got their ERP cloud. They are not into the cloud business. When I say they are not into the cloud business, I'll give you a simple example. Let's say now Reliance Digital company is there. They use some Finacle accounting software and they use some business intelligence reporting software. They use some .NET applications. They use some document storage application. This is all they are using, right? This client has got their own tools. Now they are moving into the SAP. They are planning to use SAP ERP. They are planning to use SAP Cloud ERP. SAP says that, yes, I'm ready to give my ERP software in the cloud. So all your employees, 12,000 employees, day to day, whatever they do, the business transactions, they can use my cloud ERP. I'm providing. But if this client says that I wanted to shut down my servers, I want to use your server, Oracle Fusion ERP. Okay. So SAP says that no, I don't have the server. I cannot provide the server for your tools because I am not doing cloud business. We do not have any data centers across the world. So what you can do is you can maintain all these applications in your server and start using my server. So you have to maintain both cloud as well as hybrid. Means you are on premises. But what Oracle says, we got a data center, we got servers. You can close your server and move all these applications from here to here. And also you can start using my software. You can shut down. You can shut down your servers. No need to worry. You can start using my ERPs in the cloud environment. You can also start using your applications. You can just lift your applications and shift to cloud environment. We call it as lift and shift. We call it as lift and shift. Here it is. Okay. So this is the benefit with Oracle. This is the benefit which we got with Oracle. Okay. So in SAP does not have, because SAP is basically cloud ERP product company. SAP is a ERP based company. So SAP is not cloud company. SAP is not a cloud, but Oracle has got cloud. As SAP has got different tools and products. SAP has got different tools and products and sorry, Oracle has got different tools and products and other things here, but SAP does not. So there the Oracle has got positive points. Workday is good in HCM, not much in finance or supply. It's not a vast product. Salesforce also is good in CRM only. Salesforce is not good in finance, or Salesforce is not in HCM much, manufacturing and other here. Microsoft Dynamics is also as a ERP, but not up to the mark, not up to the mark in the different areas. This is uh, when we talk about SAP and Oracle, Microsoft is not up to the mark in the ERP sector. Other tools are excellent, that's fine, but in the ERP business, not much. Okay, so that's the reason we can say Oracle Fusion is going to be the next generation ERP. Obviously, it will be in the first place. It's already started using this. Many people, thousands of customers across the world, they started using small scale industries, medium, as well as large scale industries. Everybody started using this. Yeah. So in Fusion HCM, we have different modules. Global HR we have, payroll we have, options management module we have, talent management we have individual compensation module, we have compensation, workforce compensation, we got benefits module, we got time and labor module, we got, of course, ORC is different, recruitment cloud, that's entirely different. These are different modules. We'll be learning 5 modules. These are the 5 modules we are going to learn. Global HR, payroll, options, talent, individual compensation. Individual compensation we are going to. Okay. Yeah, these are 5 modules. So in these 5 modules, what topics we are going to discuss, we'll see that in our next class. Tomorrow demonstration, we will be discussing about this. Okay. So what are different roles? We will see when we say Fusion HCM, what are different roles we have? We have mainly 2 roles. One is functional consultant. Another one is technical consultant. functional consultant. Another one is technical consultant. We'll find two roles. Earlier, there was a DBA role, but in the cloud environment, we don't find DBA role. Everything will be taken care by Oracle cloud architects. So we don't need to worry about it. So when we say we are working in Fusion applications, definitely you are working as a functional or you are working as a technical. Functional is completely setup and configuration. There is 0% coding. We don't find any coding in functional. It's complete zero. When we talk about technical, it's purely coding. SQL, PLSQL, integrations, APIs, JavaScript, GroovyScript. It was completely technical. Okay. So functional is, as I said, it's 0% coding, complete setups and configurations, testing we have to do. We need to understand the business scenarios, and according to that, we have to choose the setups, whatever is sufficient for whatever is required for us that we are supposed to choose and configure it here. Okay, so that's about this is what we are going to learn, functional consultant. So this is what our role, functional consultant. We are going to learn this. So tomorrow we'll see the syllabus and we'll take one real-time assignment, how we perform it. After that, how we test it, how we are going to test it. That we'll see tomorrow. So how it works, that we'll discuss tomorrow. Yeah. Any doubts here? Anybody would like to talk with me?
I have one question.
Yeah, please.
So the course will cover both the functional as well as the technical aspects.
No, this is 100% we are covering functional. This is purely functional course. Technically,
Okay.
we'll give an introduction. We can say that just 20%. For example, BI report comes under the technical. A technical developer will work at least 10 to 15 reports development, different parameters, busting concept, different layouts, e-text template, scheduling options, security options like that. But we are going to learn how to develop one BI report and how to register that BI report and how to find the tables. That's what we are going to learn. If someone is interested technical side also, they have to expand. They have to continue for that. Yeah. That's one of the example I can say.
Okay, but you provide the technical course as well.
Technical courses are available in online. Actually, we are not providing the live sessions. So we
Okay.
provide online. You can go through that. Like when I say online through Udemy, so our admin will suggest after completion of this course so that you can go through it.
Okay, thank you. And one last question I have. What is the difference between individual compensation and workforce compensation?
Individual means each and every employee compensation plans, how to assign, how to create a compensation plans and associate with individual people, how to prepare the compensation for the group of people. Workforce means like group of people, different job wise, grade wise, group of people wise, how to do that. That will be discussed.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much.
Yes. Yeah. Fine, guys. Let's see you tomorrow in the same time, same day. And this video, whatever we are going to have, this will be in our YouTube channel in another 1 hour. And also, of course, you can communicate with our admin person to get this video. It will be published directly. So all the demos will be there in our YouTube channel. 3 demo sessions. Okay. So let's see you tomorrow, same time, same meeting ID. Thank you.